Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome you all to learn Chinese language with Chinese language made easy. I am Muhammad Shahid, and today I will discuss an easy and interesting topic in Chinese language. The topic is about to have something and to not have something. Like if you want to express that I have this thing and I do not have this thing, so how you are going to say this in Chinese. So if you want to learn it in a simple way, keep watching till the end so that you get to know. Also, in addition to that, I added 但是 is a particle which means but. So you are going to see the use of 但是 in this video lecture too. So let's proceed and have a familiarity with our lecture. But before that, you have to subscribe it and recommend it to your friend if you like the video. So in that case, we are, as I told you, that these are the words that we are going to practice today in sentences, so their use will be illicit. So here is 有 means to have. 没有 is not to have something and to not have something. And 但是 means but. It's a particle in Chinese used for but. So before we are going to use these words in sentences, first of all we will learn some vocabulary, and after that we are going to learn how are we going to use these in sentences. So let's proceed, and the first vocabulary that we are going to learn today is about motorcycle. So how do we say it in Chinese? It is 摩托车 motorcycle. So motorcycle. Okay, the next one is car. So it is 汽车 car. Next one is money. So money is 钱 a second tone, a rising tone. 钱. Okay, money. Now we are going to have a question answer session, and in that we are going to learn by using these words and putting them into sentences. So these are okay. The question is 你有汽车吗? 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 You can see the pinyin. So now you can read the above sentence. Okay, do you have a car? So this is a question, and the answer is 没有，但是我有摩托车。没有，但是我有摩托车。没有 means no, 但是 but 我有摩托车。I have a motorcycle. I don't have a car, but I have a motorcycle. So you can answer this in this way. Okay, no, but I have a motorcycle. Okay, proceeding to the next slide, and it is about another question. 钱 你有钱吗? Do you have money? 你有钱吗? Do you have money? Okay, so 有我有钱 我有钱 So 有 means have or I have money. 我有钱 I have money. So this was a short lecture on how to say I have and I don't have something in Chinese, and the use of but in Chinese, which is 但是. I hope that you have learned good information from this video. If you like this video, share it with your friends, invite your friends to like and subscribe the channel, and we are going to get back to you with further interesting videos. Till then, see you.